In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix a slow computer due to high memory usage. Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. Now let's proceed with the tutorial. You just have to keep watching, as in this video, I'm going to show you some quick and easy ways to reduce your memory usage and boost the overall speed of your computer. Let's start. First, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Click on it. Close any apps you're not using by right-clicking them in the Task Manager and selecting End Task. Open the Start menu again, search for Run, and click on it. Type this and hit Enter. In the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, then disable all, apply the changes, go to the Startup tab, open Task Manager, and disable unnecessary startup apps. Close the windows. Now this step should help reduce memory usage and speed up your computer. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.